Hello, my name is Marcia Jackson, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite websites that I use in my classroom almost on a daily basis. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up Safari, which is my web browser, and I'm going to type in www.thatquiz.com. It's actually thatquiz.org. And my students will normally get a test code that they use to put in right here on the left, and it'll take them to the quiz or the activity that I have for them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a teacher on the right so that you can see what goes on. Okay, as you can see on the left they have see tests, grades, edit class, new class. Now I have created quite a few tests, and I'm going to go so that you can see. And here I've created a timetables test, money, coordinate grids, multiplication, anything that you would like to test your kids or just give them practice, you can assign them. And the common tests they do with integers. I'll just give you an example. You can click on if you wanted to make an addition test or a subtraction test, whichever one is good for you. Fractions is one of my favorite ones to do. It has pictures, all of that. And you can even go to grades and look at the grades. Here are my students here on the left, and these are their grades, and it even gives you your average. So it makes it very, very easy when you're trying to do grades at the end of the quarter or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to show you how my students are able to log into the test. So I'm going to choose a test that they have not taken yet, which is the multiplication test. And as you can see, the test code is XNQD7036. So I'm just going to log out and do an example of how they would log in. So on the left, they will put in the test code, which is XNQD7036, and press enter. And here you have the students, and they just go to the drop-down menu and choose their name. I have one on here so that I can test out the quiz and see how it does. So I'll choose under my name, and I'll begin taking the test. Okay? Very, very easy to do, very, very quick, and the students can see their own feedback. So I'm going to go again back to the original site. You can also, students, if they're at home, they don't have a test quiz, a test code or anything that they can have from me, they can go on the same website at home, click on anything that we're working on, and get some practice. 3 out of 5, press OK. 2 out of 4. Okay, and as you can see, the time is going on the right, and it shows the progress. And there's 10 questions. I'll go ahead and do the 10 questions. 1 out of 4. Okay, let's just say I click 1 that's incorrect. Okay, let's do 2 out of 3. 2 out of 5. Okay, 4 out of 5. Okay, 1 out of, let's just put another incorrect one just for the fun of it. 1 out of 3. Another incorrect one. Okay. So as you can see here, it gives me my grade, the ones that I missed, the completed answers, unanswered, how many right, how many wrong, the time it took me to complete the entire test, and the seconds per problem. So I can tell if a student is struggling on a certain question, if it's taking them too long, or even if they're guessing, if they don't know how to do it and they're just clicking anything. And that's what I like about this. It's very, very quick, and it gives me and the students feedback immediately. So I love this website, and not only do I use it for math, but I have English, spelling, any subject. You can create your own test. You can even create multiple choice questions, matching. It's great, and it's www.thatquiz.org. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you might be able to use this in your own classroom. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.